Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set charts in TradingView. First, open TradingView in your web browser or desktop application. You will see a default chart layout. To begin customizing, locate the symbol search bar at the top left of the interface. Type in the ticker symbol for the asset you wish to analyze, like Apple for Apple stock, and press Enter. The chart will then update to display your selected asset's price data. Next, choose your chart type from the toolbar, perhaps candlesticks for detailed price action. Now, let's personalize your chart's look and feel. Click the cogwheel icon, usually in the top right, to open the chart settings. Here, you can change the background color to a dark or light theme, whichever you prefer. You can also customize the colors of your bullish and bearish candles, perhaps green for up and red for down. Additionally, adjust grid lines, axis labels, and text to ensure your chart is clean and easy to read, reducing visual clutter for better focus. To enhance your analysis, you'll want to add indicators and drawing tools. Click the Indicators button, often represented by a beaker icon, in the top toolbar. A menu will appear where you can search for popular indicators like a simple moving average or the relative strength index. Double-click to add them to your chart and adjust their settings as needed. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll find drawing tools like trend lines, horizontal lines, and Fibonacci retracements to mark key levels and patterns. Once you've perfected your chart setup, it's crucial to save your layout. Look for the Save icon, usually a cloud or disk, in the top right corner. Give your layout a descriptive name so you can easily load it again later. You can also enable the auto-save feature, which automatically saves your changes every few seconds, ensuring you never lose your work. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This helps maintain a consistent and efficient trading environment across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.